In this Rock Like the Pros 10-day intermediate, that's right, intermediate practice and technique challenge, you're going to learn one of the coolest warm-ups techniques that you're ever going to learn on the guitar. This one is a major scale sequence, 4 notes at a time. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm proud of you for making a commitment to yourself, to your playing, to this challenge. This one is going to be worth it right here. When I first learned this, I was blown away. It took me a while to get it. It developed some great technique, dexterity, strength, speed. It's also a great ear training one as well. It's going to take that major scale we've been working on. I told you how important that was, and we're going to do it in a sequence of 4 notes at a time. Before we get there, though, don't forget, I want you to win, or at least have a chance to win, one of 2 Kala guitars that we're giving away for this challenge. That's right, I said 2 guitars that we're giving away. The first, all you got to do is sign up below. We'll put a link. Go sign up for the challenge. You'll get everything you need to know. And Kala has donated a mini orchestra, or an orchestra mini guitar. These are really cool, brand new from Kala for you. All you got to do is make sure to subscribe right here, Rock Like the Pros. Subscribe to the Kala Brand Music channel as well. Leave some comments, smash the like button, share this video, and then post at least one video. That's right, one video on the free Rock Like the Pros forum in order to have a chance to win that guitar. Now, we do have a VIP option. VIP. The reason why we do the VIP is because some of you want the PDFs, the tab, the backing tracks, access to the private Zoom calls, and a chance to win the second Kala guitar, which is a Kala parlor guitar. Again, these are brand new from Kala, absolutely stunning, and I'm excited for you to have a chance to win. So we'll put a link of that as well below for the VIP. Okay. Now, made a lot of hype with this one. I'm saying it's the best one, best technique ever. So let me play it for you, and then I'll show you exactly how to do it. Whew. All right, I'm going to stop right there. Stop right there. I'm not going to come back down, but we are going to come back down, but right there, I just wanted to play it for you so you can hear it. How cool is that? It's amazing. It's amazing. We're not going to do it that fast. We're going to slow it down. Do not worry at all. Do you see this guitar that I brought in? Do you see this guitar? This is my Gibson ES 350, 1949 jazz box guitar. Absolutely stunning. Love this thing. So anyway, I'm sharing this with you. If you need a new guitar, straps, picks, cables, whatever you need, check out the #1 store, store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, you ready to dive into this? We're going to start with that major scale. You have to know this major scale. Okay, let me play it for you. You got to get that down, because this is going to take that major scale and do it in a sequence. And a sequence is just a repeating pattern of 4 notes at a time. Okay, so we're just going to do this. All right, so all we're doing, we're starting right here, boom, on the G note. We're going to do the first 4 notes of the major scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to come back to the second note with our pinky, do the next 4 notes. Now we're going to go to the 5th string, 2nd fret, do the next 4 notes. Come back now, 5th string, 3rd fret. And then we're going to keep this pattern going the whole time. 4 notes at a time. Keep going. Now, when you get there, now I've been pausing between each 4 notes. We're not going to pause, but I just wanted you to hear that pattern. It's just a sequence. Your ear's going to get used to that. And then if you get off, maybe you hit a wrong note or something, your ear will tell you that it's wrong. All right, now we just stop right here. This is the G note. Now, this is the last note of the sequence that's going from this to the top. And then when we come back down, we're going to start here on the 5th fret. But before we get to there, because I know this is a lot, let's do it together nice and slow. No backing track yet. We'll do that in a second. But let's just do it from the top. Oh, there goes my pick. Let me grab it. Let's do it right here. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. cool is that? Leave a comment below. How you doing? Are you getting it? Okay, remember, we just stopped right there. That's the G note on the first string, third fret. And then to start the sequence coming back down, we're gonna actually go to our pinky here on the first string, fifth fret, and we're gonna come back down just in reverse. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes, and then go back to the first string, third fret. And we're not going to stop there, though. That's even though our starting note. We're going to actually go back right here. Fifth string, second fret, and then go back to that sixth string, second fret, and then stop right there on our G note. So the pattern going back is exactly the same. It's just a little bit more challenging. It's always more challenging to go in reverse, all right? I want to bring in a backing track, but I feel like let's just do that together. Going backwards from the first string, and then we'll do it with the backtrack. Are you ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's That's magic right there. Okay, it's going to take a little practice, but I know that you can do it. Come on now. I believe in you. We're going to do the whole thing now, down and back up with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you get it done right there. First take. Whew, how did you do? That's more important. I want to know how you did. Leave a comment below 1 to 5, how you did on that 1 being, you did a little work. 5 meaning you got it. Takes a lot of concentration, but as I mentioned, besides all the technique building you're going to get, it's really great for the ear. That was a medium backing track at 120. Remember the VIPs to get the slow backing track, that backing track, the fast backing track, and even longer extended backing tracks if you want to practice this up and down the neck, which is a great idea. And if you want to become a VIP, go ahead and click that link below. Remember, I want you to post at least one video, why not this video, over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. And part of that is just getting over there, meeting other motivated, dedicated musicians, guitar players, people just like you that are also wanting to improve on a guitar. So make sure you post a video and go check out other people's videos as well. All right. Now, if you dig in what we do here, if you like me, you like my energy, you like my style, maybe you just like my guitar, we have a fantastic membership courses over at rocklikethepros.com. Check that out. I want to help you become that great guitar player that you want to become. All right. We're just getting this whole thing started. So stick with me. Keep working. We're going to wrap this video up, but we got more coming, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.